Let me show you how I got this cute and simple Valentine's Day inspired look using products from MICHE Beauty. Stay tuned. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieve this chunky twist and curl using products from MICHE Beauty. So I started off with the Lavish Leave-In Conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is so moisturizing. Like, this is a must-have. So it is made with aloe vera and avocado oil, and my hair has definitely been loving some avocado oil. It is a 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner that moisturizes, detangles, and softens dry hair, and it does all three of those things. So again, I started off with the leave-in conditioner, and then as my styler, I use the Bounce Curl Defining Cream. This cream is bomb. Let me show you what it looks like. So I've used this cream twice already, so a little goes a long way. It's nice and creamy, gives great definition. It definitely gives you that bounce, hence the name Bounce Curl Defining Cream. Great for twist outs, braid outs, twist and curls, braid and curls, twade outs. I think I'm gonna try a wash and go with it next. We'll see, stay tuned. But this Bounce Curl Defining Cream is so bomb, like, it's bomb. So this is a one and done styling cream that can be used alone to achieve the perfect balance of bouncy, defined, shiny and hydrated hairstyles such as wash and goes. Try the wash and go next. Twist outs, braid outs, or any style where you are looking for amazing definition without the crunch. And that is exactly what this cream gave me. Let me show you just how I achieved this look. Stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below what style you want to see me do with these products next. I'm thinking of wash and go, but let me know what you guys want to see next. Again, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.